Alright everyone, welcome to the channel. Oh look, it's XX Inc. Hi, I'm Dusk, and whether it's your first or 43rd time here, I'll take you through all the steps to make a cute little plushie. Now they may come out a little wonky, but that's just a side effect of them being handmade. Yeah, handmade plushies tend to do that. Anyway, the song is Examiner, and the marble run is Floor of Technological Sciences. And so the first thing you're gonna want to do is go down to the description and grab the pattern to print out. Yeah. Oh, and watch the video all the way through before you actually start. It'll be helpful. And yeah. Alright, and for We Can Change Anything, the first step is going to be to cut out all the pattern pieces. Yeah, all the template pieces. And then you're going to want to start cutting out the fabric pieces. You're going to want to take a marker and like outline them on the fabric. If you have multiple, flip them each time. Like flip the pattern piece each time so that it's on both sides. And you're gonna need two head pieces, two body pieces, one bottom piece in white, and one heart piece in red. Oh, and two eye pieces in red, but I screwed that up and did them in black. Now this is a quick introduction, but to sew something in black, you just to cut out something in black, you just hold it down and cut around it. Yeah. And now take the head and sew up a triangle piece. Like fold it in half, sew along the edge of the triangle. And do that a second time with the other one on that head piece. And then do the same for the other side, for the other headpiece. Attach one eye here, and the other eye here. Now attach both sides of the head together. Go almost all the way around. When it's almost done, invert it, stuff it, and finish closing it up. Now attach the heart piece to one of the body pieces near the middle with like the point going down, like towards the flatter end. Now attach both of them together, leave the bottom, which is like the flattest end, untouched. Like, don't go over that, go over everything else. Attach the bottom piece, go most of the way around. I don't say this enough, but hey, I did it right here, so let's talk about it. It's okay if you mess it up. If you mess up and go all the way forgetting. You can always cut a hole in the back or a part you won't look at much, so. Yeah, if you do that, cut a hole, but regardless, you're going to want to invert through whatever hole there is and stuff it. And close it up. And now attach the body to the head, and that'll get you We Can Change Anything done. So for all around helper, the first steps are pretty similar. You're gonna wanna cut out all the pattern pieces and then apply them to fabric. Please watch the other or section on we can change anything. It'll make so much more sense, like, after that. But anyway, yeah, you're gonna need both. You're gonna need to cut out all those pieces. You're gonna need 2 body pieces in white, 2 eye pieces in red, 1 mouth piece in black, and 8 limb pieces in white. And yeah, that. And then you're gonna sew up the triangles like you did on all around Helper's head. Yeah, simple. And of course, you gotta do it for both head panels, like both face panels, body panels, whatever. Now, on one of them, attach a red eye right here. Should be closer to where the bigger triangle was. And another here. And the mouth here. And now attach both sides together. Go almost all the way around. Now invert, stuff it, and close it up. Now start making one of the limbs. First you're going to grab 2 opposite limb panels that line up well and stuff, and then like go all the way around except the small flat edge opposite to like the circle. Yeah, that. Want to go all the way around. Now, this one might be a little difficult. Might hurt a little too. You're gonna want to invert it, but you don't have to invert it. This is why I say to watch the whole video through before you start, because you can just skip inverting it, and if you only have one soft side, then yeah, the soft side could be what you're seeing, even when it's not inverted, if you plan ahead and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. And stuff it. So, and then you're gonna wanna make 3 more, just like that. Attach one right here. It should be pointing towards what is more like the middle of the body. I don't know how to describe it. And another one here. They should be facing each other. A third one, same logic as the first. Third one here. Fourth one should be facing the third one. Yeah. That'll pretty much get you your all-around helper. Alright everyone, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, like the video, hit the bell, share it. Oh, and if you have any plushie ideas, be sure to recommend them down in the comments. I read almost all of the comments, but I've been getting so many lately, some of them don't notify me. And that's annoying. But essentially, next time. I was originally going to do a hint for next time, but I think I'm just going to tell you. Yeah, I think I'm just going to tell you. Gotta look at my patterns real quick, and then I'm just going to tell you someone from there. Gotta think. Who? Well, I mean, this is one that's been heavily requested, so here you go. That's Zach. Yeah, I think I'll do him next. Alright, in terms of scraps, you're gonna get an Enkephalin box. It has some basic instructions that shouldn't be too hard to follow in there. Very basically, just like a basic outline, but yeah, anyway. Make a good accessory if you want them. Bye.